Welcome to Ms. Muses. I'm Michelle. I'm the M in Ms. Muses. If you're new here, we're two friends showing our life on YouTube, from lifestyle to travel. And as you can tell by the title, this video includes both of those things. So if you've been following us closely, you may have noticed that Stephanie and I keep hinting that we're going to be living in two separate countries. Well, the time has come to pack, at least. Stephanie, the second half of Ms. Muses, is going to be announcing where she's going next week. I will be going to France, Paris to be exact. It's not the first time that I've lived there. I went and I studied abroad there when I was in university, and I'm really excited to get back. I'm really looking forward to it, but before I can go, I obviously need to pack, so that's what this video is going to be about. Before we get to the actual packing though, I wanted to show you a few things that I bought specifically for this move. So since I've lived there before, I have a little bit of experience, obviously. I feel like I know what to expect a little bit better, and I know that it gets really cold in the winter, and I get cold really easily, so I mostly am preparing for that, especially because I'm arriving in the middle of winter. Although most of the things that I'm taking are things that they already own, I did buy a few things specifically for this, from a few just basic things that I needed in general to things specifically for the winter. So let's get right into that first. So let's start from the bottom. I got 3 pairs of pants. This is something that I definitely needed an upgrade on. Most of mine are really old, or I left in Thailand because they were already ripped and stuff like that, so I needed an upgrade for this. I went for Old Navy and The Gap. One's from Old Navy, 2 are from The Gap. I know my size in those stores, I know they fit me. They tend to last me the most out of a lot of the jeans that I've tried before, and they're comfortable, so I went for those. The first pair is the Sky High Straight Extra High jeans. They're straight, they're really comfortable. They're the most comfortable pair. I think the most comfortable pair of jeans I've ever had. They're super comfortable. They're straight legged, so they leave a lot of room on the calf. It's something that I know I can wear leggings or tights underneath if it gets that cold. They're really comfortable. I love the look of them. I love how they feel. I'm gonna be wearing these on the plane. The next 2 are just 2 basic high-rise skinny jeans. The only difference is that one has buttons instead of a zipper at the front, and that one with the buttons is cut at the bottom, and the other one I folded. I like to have a little ankle showing. They're really comfortable. I always do recommend Old Navy and Gap. So moving up, my favorite pieces that I got are 3 turtlenecks from this brand called Cotton. They're 100% cotton, hence the name. They are a sustainable brand that are very transparent, so you can see exactly where the exact farm their materials are sourced from. The fabric, because it's 100% cotton, is really soft. You can tell the quality is really nice, so it's gonna last. I was able to get 3 because they had a discount code of 50% off if you buy 3 items, like 3 turtlenecks. I don't think they have the discount code still up, but I would go back in and check just in case. So I got 3 different colors: a taupe, mod taupe, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's like a beigey brown color, black, and olive green. They're really comfortable, super soft. They fit like a glove. My only thing would be the part around the neck. It isn't too tight, however, like when it sits on my neck, however, it is tight going through my head. That might just be because I have a big head, but it's kind of one of those things where it's like, oh, I probably shouldn't wear makeup when I put this on, because I feel like it's just gonna wipe off my makeup. But beyond that, I really love them. They feel warm and cozy. It's something that that is good to layer underneath, like put underneath sweaters or stuff like that. I really love these pieces. Following with the same theme of layering, I got a vest. It's a vest from Old Navy. I got it in black. It was on sale when I got it. I'm gonna check to see if it's still on sale now, and if it is, I'll make sure to leave the link down below. I got it in large. It's from Old Navy. It was $12 when I got it. It's really warm, really practical, something that's really easy to layer with bulky sweaters underneath, or also like a jacket on top of it. One of my favorite things about this is that the neck and the pockets actually are a different material, are a soft material. So when you first put it on, it never feels cold on your neck or in the pockets, so that's really nice. So I got it in a medium. I had first gotten in a large and it was too big. If you like really big things, then maybe the large, but the medium fits me really well. I tend to be a medium large. Medium was this one. I would size down a little bit. So the last thing I bought specifically for this was this jacket. I've been looking for a jacket or coat that was going to be really practical, that wasn't going to be super heavy, and that would keep me warm, that would do the job, and I feel like this one will do. I haven't been able to test it out in super cold weather, but from what I've been able to try out, I do feel like it's going to be able to do the job, and more importantly, keeping up with the layering theme, it's something you can layer. I can wear the vest underneath, and I can even wear a raincoat on top of both of those items and really layer it up if it gets that cold. The thing that I was really looking forward to is that it's super light. It's from Uniqlo. It's the ultra light down jacket. I got it in a large, and it's insanely light. It's really light. You can roll it up and put it in this little bag that it has, as you see on the clip, and it's just super convenient to have, especially when you're traveling and you're moving around and you don't want to carry something that's big and heavy. This is it, and this also is meant to keep you warm. So I'm really looking forward to really trying this out, and hopefully it does fully work. I think it will. So really recommend Uniqlo for warm clothing. So that's it for like the mini haul review try on thing. That's everything that I bought clothing wise specifically for this. Now I need a pack. I'm taking one checked-in bag and a carry-on backpack with me, plus hopefully a guitar. But when in terms of where I can fit things, it's gonna be one checked-in bag that has to be no more than 23 kilos and a carry-on backpack that can't be more than 12 kilos. So I'm gonna try to fit everything that I can in there. I know I'm gonna be at the limit. That's completely fine as long as I'm not over it. Always recommend to have your own little weight at home to be able to weight your items. So we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. So it's a few days later and now I'm actually full on packing. There's been a few attempts of actually packing, just trials and errors to see like what actually fits, what doesn't, what it is that I actually need versus what I actually want. So this is where we're at. I want to show the carry-on backpack that I bought for this. I got this at Amazon. I am trying to not spend on Amazon lately, but for this I just went with it. It's not huge, but it fits a lot of things, so I'm really happy with it. I started already adding a couple things in here to test out, see what fits, what doesn't. It has these latches that just, you know, help secure it, and then it has its main compartment right here. And then here you go. So I'm actually not gonna be putting this in here, or I might actually, but this is something, it's a scarf. It's like a blanket scarf. It's huge, but I will be having that probably on me on the plane. I fit a blazer, sweater, 2 pairs of shoes. Here is for anything that's wet or leaks, it won't go through. It's plastic. And then just another little compartment there, and then over here, that's the main compartment. And then we got the second compartment, which is like the computer. This is where you put your computer. So this is where your computer goes. And then here you can store notebooks and just more things like that. I like that it has several compartments for that, and it fits really well and easily. It has another little pocket over here. Just fit more things in. Put in my little travel toothpaste. Another compartment there, which I think it's like to store, I don't know, pens and your cards. I saw like you can put your phone in there. I would suggest not doing that when you're traveling, because all your important things is going to be on your back and you can't see what happens, and it's not like you can lock it. So I don't recommend actually putting anything important in here, just things that you don't mind getting pickpocketed. Okay, so here I have everything that I'm taking with me. Over here I have scarves. 3 of these are more transition scarves from like winter to spring, summer to fall. But at the bottom I have an actual warm scarf, and then I have a neck scarf that's like made for winter. Then sweaters, 4 sweaters, long sleeves. All those are long sleeves. Some are thermal, some are turtlenecks. Pants on this pile. The jeans that I showed, as well as 2 more jeans that I already had, and a dress pants. One of the jeans that I showed I'll be wearing on the plane. Then I have pajama sweaters, sweats, and a pair of shorts. Over here I have blazers and a coat. So it's 2 blazers, 1 coat, 3 jackets, blouses, and 3 dresses. shirts and 3 tank tops plus a couple cute shirts, and then just some basic tees at the bottom. And then this is all workout, so it's 3 workout pants, 5 workout shirts, 2 pairs of bras, 3 sports bras, 2 bathing suits, underwear and tights, socks, mostly warm socks, and then 4 pairs of shoes. And then over there I have the jacket that I showed at the beginning, all rolled up into its little bag, and then toiletries. And all this should fit in there. Wish me luck. I'm not the most organized human being, but I have gotten a little bit better, and what has always kept me the most organized when it comes to packing has been these little cubes. I got this set a long time ago. I got it at Marshall's. It came in the set of 3. The brand is Sharper Image, but I just went to Marshall's and saw what they had there, and it just helps keep the suitcase really organized. So in this cube I put all my pants in here, and here I have all my blouses, from like the tank tops to like the not so casual ones, all my basic tees and the cute t-shirts that I have, as well as all my dresses are in here. I have so many items in here. And then I always have my underwear in this little one, and I'm gonna fill it up with tights as well. Socks I leave. Socks I'm gonna fix that. But socks, I make sure I put them in all the corners and all of the little like nooks and like little holes that are left, as well as inside my shoes. That's where socks go. Socks, I never put them in any bag, but underwear I do, because if they ever have to open your bag, I don't know, to check it for some reason, that can always happen, that they ask you to open your bag. You don't want your underwear flying around. So I always keep my underwear bagged up. So it'll be underwear and tights in here. And yeah, this is where I'm at so far. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but for traveling, I always recommend having a microfiber towel to take with you. I might not actually need it when I get there this time, because I can go buy one, like a regular towel, but having this towel for any type of traveling is so useful. One, it folds really easily and it's super light. It's a full body towel. It dries super easily, so when you're traveling and you don't have that much time for it to dry, it's perfect. It rolls up, it's lightweight. Microfiber towels for traveling are such a good thing to have. Always recommend having your own little thing to weigh your suitcase with. I'm not a fan of this one because it's not digital. I mean, I can read it, it's easy to read, but it's just so much easier if you can just immediately look at it. I just have to see that the little thingy lands on the right spot and that I hold it well enough so that it doesn't move too much. So let's try it. $22.5. Oh, can you see it? There it is. 22.5. So we're almost at 23. I say we're doing good. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Let's continue with this. In my carry-on, I'm able to fit 3 turtlenecks, 2 mock necks, a blazer, 3 pairs of shoes, surprisingly, 3 notebooks, small ones, plus a book to read, tripod, medicine, pencil case, band-aids, deodorant, my creams, makeup, And there's our makeup brushes, laptop, and charger, and everything else. And all of this is gonna go into there. This is what I plan on wearing on the plane. The best, a navy blue raincoat that I've had for a very long time, black long sleeve, and the old navy pants that I showed at the beginning, plus my white sneakers, which are still dirty, so are not featured in this video, but I will be wearing them on the flight. Well, we've reached the end of the video. As you can tell, it's much later in the day. I've changed and everything. And everything fit. Everything went well. It pretty much stayed at the same range of 22.5 and hitting almost close to 23 kilos, which is the maximum amount I can take in my checked-in bag, and it was all went well. Same with the carry-on. I'm quite well underweight with that, so I don't think I'm tweaking much more. I did take out the yellow bands. I just don't feel like having the extra weight, and I realized they're not as practical as they could be, and I'm switching out the high heel booties for regular booties. I just figured regular booties are more practical for everyday wear than high heels, which I rarely even use in the first place. So I'll be doing that, but beyond that, I think I'm gonna leave it as is. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming along. Stay tuned for next week, as Stephanie is gonna be announcing where she's going. So that's going to be exciting as well, and we're really excited to finally get like this part going. The whole idea of the YouTube channel came from because of the fact that we were going to be living in two very different countries, and we kind of wanted to document our experiences separately and kind of see how they came together. So we're excited to finally be doing that. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Like the video if you liked it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.